Welcome to a timeless tale from ancient wisdom, where the divine and the mortal realms intertwine. Join us as we explore the story of a humble servant girl who transcended her earthly life to become a radiant goddess.
Goddess, just like the god Saka, you walk around here in Sitalata Park surrounded by many goddesses. Your beauty shines in all directions like the bright star named Ozadi. What are the meritorious deeds that led to this happiness? Tell me, goddess, what kind of meritorious actions did you do when you were in the human world to have gained this beauty that shines in all directions and to have earned all these wonderful things?
Delighted by Arahant Moggallana's question, the goddess eagerly shared her story, explaining the deeds that led to her great happiness.
Great Arahant, in my previous life, I was a girl in the human world. I was a servant working in other people's houses. Despite my humble position, I was very fortunate to be a lay follower of the Supreme Buddha. Gautama Supreme Buddha knew everything about the world. Nothing could shake his peace of mind. Following my great teacher's instructions, all I wished for was to escape from this cycle of birth and death. I committed myself to practicing the Dhamma. Even when my body breaks up, I never give up my effort. This excellent path to Nibbana, discovered by the Supreme Buddhas, is a straight, secure, and pure path. This Dhamma path leading to Nibbana includes the 5 precepts. Even though I am a woman, you will see how committed I am to achieve the result of the path. Even the powerful god Saka invites me to his entertaining events. 60,000 musical instruments are played to wake me from my sleep. Many gods such as Alamba, Gagara, Bhima, Sadovadin, Samsaya, Pokhara, and Sufasa, and many goddesses such as Vinamaka, Nanda, Sunanda, Suneda, Susamhita, Alambusa, Misakisi, Pundarika, Inafasa, Sufasa, Sufada, and Madhuvadini entertain me by playing music. They come into my presence whenever I wish and delight me by saying, "Let's dance now. Let's sing now." Only those who have done meritorious deeds can enjoy this heavenly Nandana park in the sorrowless Tavatimsa heaven, not those who did no meritorious deeds. Doers of good enjoy happiness in this life and the next, but doers of evil will receive unhappiness in this life and the next. Anyone who would like to join us in the Tavatimsa heaven must do lots of wholesome deeds. Only those who do good deeds are reborn in heaven and enjoy divine entertainment.
The path to eternal happiness is paved with acts of kindness and devotion. Let this story inspire us to follow the teachings of the Supreme Buddha and lead lives filled with merit and compassion.